Greetings and welcome to another edition of Science Sunday, joined by, of course, Eva Ryle of the Connecticut Science Center.
Good morning.
Hello, hello. So often we do demonstrations, experiments, some of which people at home should not try, but this is one that is very basic and you could try at home.
Yeah, this is probably things you might already have.
Okay.
First thing we are going to use is milk right in the middle here. We are actually going to turn this into a plastic.
Milk
today.
into plastic.
Yeah, we're going to make milk plastic.
Milk plastic. Now, out of the gate, is there a specific type of milk, whole 2% skim? What are you using?
So the great thing about this is you can use any kind of milk because they all have casein in them. That's the thing we're focused on. Casein is a protein, so it's in all of our milks. So we have that there. The thing we're going to add, this is the only ingredient we're going to add, is white vinegar. So just the normal white distilled vinegar. This is a cup of milk, and I have 4 teaspoons of vinegar here. So we're going to add this acid and see what happens to our milk. So it's in there.
Should we stir?
Yeah, you want to go ahead and stir it?
Let's stir.
So you'll notice it's starting to already curdle a little bit.
Yeah.
We're getting kind of these like kind of gross little lumps and stuff.
See that?
Yeah, all that casein protein is unfolding because of the acid in the vinegar. So that's actually the plastic. That's the part we want. So we are going to strain off all of that liquid. We don't need that. And we're going to try to hold on to.
You're like, stop stirring. All right.
We're going to keep all the gross stuff. So I just have a coffee filter. You can use cheesecloth. We've used paper towels really well with this too.
Okay.
So I'm going to do this, and I'm going to make a huge mess. Ooh,
I mean, science can be messy.
All that liquid that we don't really care about right now is coming off.
All right.
And we're keeping all that casein on top that, again, has unfolded into these long chains.
And we should point out while this is straining that the milk was not refrigerator temperature or even room temperature, right?
Yes, I warmed up the milk before. You want it, you don't want it, doesn't have to be boiling. You just want it above about 120 degrees Fahrenheit, so just warm. That helps make this go a little bit faster. So you can see all that liquid straining off the bottom, and in the top we've kept all of that casein. So I have some more over here, and if you're feeling up to it, you can dive right in. Just milk and vinegar.
So this is kind of just a little bit farther along than what you have.
Yeah, this is just all that stuff from the top. And you can shape this if you wanted to add food coloring, glitter, all that kind of stuff, and then let it sit and dry, and then you'll have these like harder plastic shapes.
So this will harden, solidify.
Yep. Yep. If you just let it sit out, it'll harden, kind of like Play-Doh does. You can make ornaments. We made jewelry with some of our campers.
Fun.
Yeah, we've had them make different things with glitter, with food coloring in here. So
any kind of milk. Yep,
any kind of milk, a little bit of white vinegar. Maybe experiment with different amounts of vinegar. Yeah,
good
stuff.
Some
plastic.
All right, and this ties in beautifully for a special event you guys having up a couple of Fridays from now.
Yes, we have a Science Straight Up. This one is for the love of food. So we'll have celebrity chef there doing demos. We have mixologists coming in. We're going to be looking at the science of chocolate. So it should be pretty fun. It is a 21+ event. So you can head on our website to look for tickets. It's Friday, February 8th.
All right, so you can get tickets in advance. You can get them at the door. There's a little bit of a price hike there if you do it last minute. And there's different tiers if you're a member versus not being a member. But certainly, it's a great way to spend a Friday night, science and food.
Yeah, absolutely. It's two of my favorite things.
All right, Eva, thank you so much. And of course, we'll see you for another edition of Science Sunday next weekend.